So question number 4 is, let R be a commutative ring with identity and let N denotes the set of all nilpotent elements in R. Verify that first part A, the set N from an ideal of R. Hint, if An is equal to a की power n is equal to b की power m is equal to 0 for integers n and m, consider a minus b n plus m. Part B, the quotient ring R over n has no non-zero nilpotent element. Let R be a commutative ring with identity and let N denote the set of all nilpotent elements in R. Verify that. So first of all, we will discuss about nilpotent element. What is nilpotent element? In mathematics, an element X of a ring, an element X of a ring capital R is called nilpotent if there exists some positive integer n such that x की power n is equal to 0 is called a nilpotent element. Nilpotent element is x की power n is equal to 0. The set n is equal to a belongs to R over a is nilpotent. Set n is an ideal of R. R is a real number, rational or irrational. Idea we will discuss about above question. A की power n is equal to b की power m is equal to 0. N and m both are integer if we will consider a minus b की power n plus m. These are discussed in question. Now 0 belongs to n. Let AB belongs to n. There exists n and m belongs to n integer such that a की power n is equal to bm is equal to 0. Now a minus m power over power की power n plus m is equal to summation n plus m to k is equal to 0. a की power k multiply by b n plus m minus k over n plus m over k. If k less than is equal to n, then n plus m minus k less than is equal to n plus m minus m, and n से cancel is equal to remaining is equal to m. Either a k is equal to 0 या b plus or b plus n plus m minus k, this one is equal to also 0. These are 0 and this one is also 0. R belongs to capital R dot R over R A power n is equal to R n or A n. A n is equal to 0. We will discuss this one. A power n is equal to 0. A minus b power n plus m is equal to 0. For implies a minus b belongs to n. Let R belongs to capital R dot R A power n is equal to R n A n. As R is an abelian, R A n we will discuss is A n is equal to 0. K replaces with n is equal to 0. R dot A belongs to n, hence prove n is an ideal of an R. Part B, the quotient ring R over n has non-zero nilpotent element. Nilpotent element are also discussed x की power n is equal to 0. Let a bar belongs to Rn such that a की power k is equal to 0. A की power k belongs to n and hence a k is also nilpotent. A की power k whole power m is equal to 0. For some m a की m is equal to 0. k को इसके साथ m के साथ हमने मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, then a is also a nilpotent. A belongs to n, a bar is equal to 0. 0 is the also nilpotent element in Rn. Yeah, or the ring Rn has 0 plus n as the 0 element. Suppose there exists an element a plus n belongs to R over n. A not equal to n such that a plus n is a nilpotent element of R over n. Thus there exists a positive integer n such that a plus capital N whole power n is equal to 0 plus n. A n plus capital N is equal to 0 plus n. A n also belongs to n. Now AM is nilpotent element of R, thus there exists a An is a nilpotent element of R, thus there exists a positive integer m such that a n whole power m is equal to 0. nm को हमने मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया तो ये हमारे पास 0 का हो गया. A is an nilpotent element, thus A belongs to n. Thus give us a contradiction. So this cannot exist a non-zero nilpotent element of R. Thank you.